With just few ingredients, you can create this elegant and sophisticated airy cheesecake soufflé, full of sweet vanilla essence and finished with a dusting powdered sugar. Make this delicious French dessert at home and enjoy with everyone. Let's prepare dishes by brushing generous amount of soft unsalted butter. Pop it to the fridge to chill for 5-10 minutes, then apply second coat as before. Then coat with flour and evenly line all around, tapping out any excess just like that. Separate egg whites from yolks. Make sure they are room temperature. And now, in a large bowl, mix soft cream cheese until creamy. Add sugar and mix to dissolve completely. Add gradually egg yolks and keep mixing. Pour gradually warm milk and whisk. To flavor the mixture, you can add vanilla extract, vanilla beans, lemon, or even orange juice. In a separate bowl, whip the egg whites with sugar until stiff peaks. Back to cheese mixture, quickly sift potato starch and mix gently. Then sift the mixture to get rid of any lumps. We are looking for smooth consistency as possible. And now, to create this fluffy soufflé, carefully fold the meringue into the cheese mixture by gently mixing. The ready mixture pour into soufflé dishes. Tap it few times to get rid of any air bubbles and bake in preheated oven at 320 degrees for 35 to 45 minutes until soufflé is puffy and top is nicely brown. You just need to remember, do not open oven during baking. They might deflate. This fun, jiggly dessert, the best way is served still warm, with fruits, coconut whipped cream, melted chocolate, or simply with powdered sugar. I absolutely love them, one of my favorite top desserts, which I highly recommend for you to make. If you enjoyed this recipe as well, don't forget to like this video and subscribe. This way you won't miss my next recipe. And I'll see you next time.